What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to Wanna How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S9. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to insert and eject a SD memory card on the S9. First thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and locate your reading information out of the box. Go ahead and you will find a SIM eject tool that looks similar to this. So once you have that, go ahead and pull it out. If you don't have your original information, anything will work, like a needle, an unwound paper clip, unwinding the spiral portion of a notebook, anything with a thin metal piece that will fit in and apply enough pressure to eject the tray. So what we're going to want to do is go ahead and locate the top of your S9, and at the very top you guys will see there is a cutout for the tray. Once you guys have located that, take your SIM eject tool, stick it in the hole on the tray and apply some pressure. And just like that, that SIM tray should pop out. So once again, I'm going to apply some pressure, and while applying pressure, it does slide out ever so slightly. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of it off with my hands. So as we take a closer look here at this tray, we will notice that there is some writing. There is a micro SD labeled there and a SIM labeled on the other side. So the two openings is one's for a SIM card and the other is for your SD card. Take the SD card, it'll only fit in there one way. Just with the contour of the card, it'll only fit in there one way. So taking that SD memory card, going to go ahead and slide it in there and make sure that it is nice and in there and it's not going to fall out when you are trying to install it back into your phone. So when installing it back into the phone, make sure that the two holes do line up on the SIM tray and on the phone itself. And then ever so slightly, I'm just going to go ahead and slide it in there like that. And when you're sliding it in there, be careful, make sure it's not popped out and out of its location. If you force it, you could damage the SIM card. You can damage your tray. So just kind of keep that in mind. So that is how to install it. If you're going to be removing it, it's the same thing. If you have your pictures on it, you want to transfer them to your computer, whatever, you can take your eject tool, apply some pressure, slide that out. We can go ahead and remove our card out of the tray, install the tray back, and slide it in. So that is how to install and remove the SD memory card on the Galaxy S9. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who's looking for this information, please do share it with them. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the S9, go ahead and check out the playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.